everyone, Aaron here from Ultra RC Hobbies. We got the brand new TRX4M K10 High Trail. So let's unbox the brand new blue one and the brand new red one. This was our first delivery one, but everyone was pretty excited with the blue one as well. So we're gonna open both of them here in Canada. These are gonna come with everything you need. So radio, battery, 7.4 volt, 750 mAh 2S LiPo, and a USB charger, clipless body mount, and some other cool things. So let's open, I guess this is the red one. Let's open the red one first. So first things first, just like all the other TRX4Ms, you're gonna get a couple things. So you're gonna get your exploded view and quick start guide in here. Quick start guide is gonna be colored, and then you are just gonna get the normal white exploded views in there. So Traxxas now on these ones are including the hitch. So this hitch is if you buy the trailer, it's actually extended and dropped down because the truck is a little bit taller. So you're gonna get the hitch and the hardware. You're also gonna get some shock spring retainers, and you're gonna get a 1.5 and a 2 mil Allen key, as well as the nut driver to take the wheels off, which is a 5 mil. So here is the new Traxxas TRX4M K10 in red. So I'm really liking it. The red with the extra chrome roll bar, all the extra chrome trim for the front and the rear bumpers, and everything else kind of works for me, I'm not gonna lie. This is again gonna be a hard body, just like all the other Traxxas TRX4Ms. And we've got a couple questions. What does M mean? M is mini, and mini is going to be 1/18 scale versus your standard TRX4, which is 1/10 scale. So you're gonna get all of the chrome for the window wipers, you're gonna get the mirrors, and you're gonna get the door handles, as well as, like I said, like the rear roll bar in chrome as well. You're gonna get all the chrome trim and the bezels around the windows. It's a really, really nice body. Inside this body, you're going to get front LED lights. Nothing in the back though, as of yet. So there's gonna be a light kit, just like all the other ones. So it'll be advanced series light kit to get the 4-way flashers, brake lights, reverse lights, all of that good stuff. I'm imagining probably just brake lights for this one though, because we don't have any reverse lights in the housing. So interested to see what that looks like. All the other items in the box are going to be the standard TQ 2.4 gig transmitter. Again, 4 AA's on the bottom, as per usual with Traxxas. The downside is these transmitters do not have the ability to do Bluetooth, so just a heads up moving forward. The other thing in the box is going to be our 750 mAh 2S LiPo battery. There's been some confusion with this. These now run a 3-pin proprietary balance / charging wire and power wire. So these ones can only right now be charged with the Traxxas USB to charging adapter. So that's the one thing with those batteries, but at least they are giving you a 750 mAh 2S and a charger in the box. We've been getting some pretty crazy good runtime on those batteries as well. We've had some people say upwards of about 2 hours. So pretty impressive. The batteries themselves are about 28 bucks. So that is what's included in the new High Trail. So let's unbox the blue one here quick, and let's get a comparison blue to red, and then see how much sizing difference, and we can get into the other things that have changed on these new trucks. I'm just really excited to see the blue one. I don't know if you can tell. So all the same stuff is going to be included in the blue one here. This is the blue one. So, I don't know. It's going to be a hard choice, honestly, blue to red. I really like the red one. I mean, I am a red fan. But this blue one, let's get it unwrapped here. Let's check it out. I don't know. I think I like the red one a little bit better. The blue one looks a little bit, I don't want to say this, maybe a little bit like gray almost. Like not quite a dark blue like the box was kind of showing. But that red is definitely where it's at. So now, since we've unboxed both of them and you've kind of seen both of the trucks, let's grab a normal TRX4 Bronco here. So we grabbed all 4 of them now. So we grabbed the Bronco and the Defender as well. So let's kind of get into what's different now on the new High Trail versus the original TRX4Ms. So first things first is going to be wheelbase. So the new TRX4M, instead of being 6.1 inches long, they're 6.4. So a little bit longer that way. So the new links that they included on them are now the new high trail links, new center drive shafts as well, just to be a little bit longer. And then you are gonna get new frame rails. So the new part numbers for all of the high trail items are going to be a 9800 part number versus a 9700 part number. So new frame rails, obviously new clipless body mounts in the front and the rear grille on the K10. You're also getting the new Mickey Thompson tires, and these are actually taller than the standard Mickey Thompson. So the standard Mickey Thompson was a 1-inch wheel by 2.2 outer diameter. These are actually 1-inch wheel by 2.4. So they're a little bit longer as well. So if you put these side by side, so let's give us the best comparison. So the new K10 versus the Defender. You definitely tell the K10 is very large in comparison to the Defender, bigger wheels, bigger tires, and then lining them up this way. The roof rack's almost the same height on the Defender as it is the K10. So the K10 is longer, taller up, give you a little bit more ground clearance. So really neat. I really like the new K10. I think it's going to be a really popular truck. It already looks like Traxxas is doing some new stuff for putting lights in the roll bars and lights in the trailer. Light kits are going to be available for these as well, like I said. So we're really excited. So there's the brand new Traxxas TRX4M K10 High Trail. These are going to be available in Canada August 25th, and they don't go on sale till September 8th. So if you'd like to purchase one online, you have to wait till September 8th. If anybody would like to purchase one here in Canada, you can purchase them August 25th, and they're $249.99 plus taxes. So we still have a couple reds and blues available. So when you see this video, if you definitely are interested in one, give the store a shout and we can get you one pre-ordered before that August 25th. So thank you everyone so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like and hit comments down below if you have any questions about the new TRX4M. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications when we post new videos. So thank you so much everyone for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.